Hi there, students. Scattershot. Scattershot. This is an adjective. I think this is rather like a shotgun approach. If you describe something as scattershot, you say it covers a wide range of different things in a haphazard way. It's not systematic. So the coverage of news from the war zone is very scattershot. It's randomly inclusive. So the planning for this organization is very scattershot. It's very random. It's not systematic. Yes, scattershot planning is not a good thing. Particularly a scattershot method, a scattershot approach, a scattershot way of doing things. It's got lots and lots of people, and it involves lots of people or lots of different things, but it's disorganized. It doesn't focus on one particular thing or one particular thing that's important. So the worker training in this company is very scattershot. For it's random. It's like they suddenly give random causes. Their approach to conservation is scattershot, and it means it's not very good. Yeah, scattershot is it's talking about a shotgun shell. A shotgun where the shots, the pellets, the little pellets are dispersed over a very wide area, which means it's easy to hit your target. But then if we use that metaphorically, covering many different things in a random way, indiscriminate and generalized, yeah, delivered over a wide area. So scattershot criticism, yeah, or maybe the comments that he makes on social media are very scattershot. They're not systematic. He comes across something and he comments on it, or not, but there's no system to it. It's disorganized, it's chaotic, it's haphazard, it's random, it's indiscriminate, and that makes it rather slapdash. Yeah. So a scattershot approach to improving things. Yeah. The animal kingdom or evolution is a scattershot approach to improving things. You have changes, and sometimes they're good, sometimes they're not. But scattershot, it's saying covering a broad range in a random and unsystematic way. I think you might correctly accuse my channel of being rather scattershot. I find something that I think is going to make an interesting video, and I do it. And yes, I think you're right. I should probably be more systematic and less scattershot. Yeah, to less here and there without system, less indiscriminate. Yeah, he comments on whatever issues catch his eye, and then he replies in a very scattershot fashion. You could spend money in a scattershot way. You spend it here, you spend it there, but you're not thinking about what's where your money would be best used. Okay, so a scattershot approach to public relations. I don't think a scattershot approach is very good. Everywhere. No, you need to focus on the right things. And scattershot is criticizing it, saying lack of focus, lack of planning on the right things. So formality, scattershot. I think I'm going to give it a 4.5 in formality. Use it informally, use it in a semi-formal conversation, semi-formal writing, and stop there. And then scattershot. This is like a shotgun, the shotgun pellets, the shots. The pellets in your shotgun shell are scattering everywhere, to scatter, to go into different places. So you shoot and it just goes everywhere. Yeah, and that's the idea. Scattershot, generalized and indiscriminate. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Scattershot.